What's the funniest secret someone has revealed under anesthesia? My boyfriend had an endoscopy, and when he started coming out of sedation, he kept whispering, "I need to tell you something urgent." The nurse smiled knowingly. "They get pretty emotional after sedation. Nothing to worry about," she said. After she left, he held my hand tightly and looked around like he thought someone was watching us. "I have to confess," he whispered. "I'm actually an undercover spy. Dating you has compromised my entire operation." I tried not to laugh as he kept glancing at the door like someone might be listening. When the doctor walked in with discharge papers, my boyfriend's eyes went wide. He frantically tapped his nose and made strange hand gestures. "That's my handler," he whispered way too loudly. "He's using medical cover. Very clever." The doctor raised an eyebrow but continued reviewing instructions while my boyfriend kept winking and responding with bizarre code phrases. On the drive home, he suddenly gasped and pointed at a pet store. "Emergency extraction protocol. Pull over now." Before I could stop him, he'd stumbled inside and returned with a goldfish in a plastic bag. "This is Agent Bubbles," he announced solemnly. "My replacement. He'll complete my mission." 6 months later, Agent Bubbles still swims in our living room. My boyfriend claims to remember nothing, but he still refuses to make eye contact with his gastroenterologist.